Solomon here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to screen record on an Apple computer. So you don't have to use OBS Studio. So the thing is built in to the MacBook or Mac, whatever you're using. Personally, I'm using a MacBook Pro. Okay, so you go into Launchpad and then go into Other. Click QuickTime Player. I'm already using QuickTime Player right now. I mean, QuickTime Player. I said click. Sorry. So click on it. I'm just gonna click on it real quick. Actually, wait. Yeah. So File. You have to press New Screen Recording. See, I'm already doing a screen recording. So I'm not gonna do screen recording because I already did screen recording. Sorry, I'm just feel like getting loud there. Okay, so bye.